大家好，我是这个老师。Welcome to Different Word Order in Chinese series. Word order is tricky in Chinese. So in this series, I'm going to introduce some typical mistakes that my students made in word order. The first and the most common mistake, and it always drives me crazy, is location and action word order. So in English, you would say, I'm going to study in the library, or I want to work at a tech company. So you will put the locations after, and you will say the actions first, like the actions to study or to work, before the locations, which are the library and a tech company. However, we have different orders in Chinese. For example, in Chinese, we will say, 我是在台湾出生的。台湾 is the location. 出生 to be born is the action. So we put after the location. Example 2. 你想在图书馆还是在星巴克写作业？ Here we have two locations. 图书馆星巴克 and we have the action 做作业 do homework and we put 做作业 after the locations. Example 3. 我明年要在纽约的国际公司实习。纽约的国际公司 is the location. 实习 to intern is the action. So we put after the location. Example 4. 我妹妹决定在美国西岸上大学。美国西岸 is the location. 上大学 go to college is the action. So we put after the location. 你学会了吗？ Next time, if you want to talk about doing something at a location, don't mess up with the word order. 好，欢迎在下面留言告诉我们 how you are going to use this structure. 我们下次见 See you next time!